In front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to access Play Store and get this app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme. When your app is ready, open it and to mute the music right away, tap on the bottom left corner. Then click on Consent in the pop-up and tap on this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those options. You can even select presets over here. Tap on the best one and click on Yes. Then adjust all of those options for your chosen preset. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Tap on Yes. Click Apply and decide where you wish to apply it. Just click on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!